You're welcome to this video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your CJ dropshipping into your Shopify website, and also how you can be able to add CJ dropshipping products into your Shopify store automatically. Okay, now if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and if you find any problem doing this by yourself, I can be able to help you set up your Shopify store, or probably help you to list the products you want to list on CJ dropshipping. Connect your CJ dropshipping account, create it for you, and do it all for you. Of course, it's not for free, but it's actually worth it. Do you understand? So let's get straight into it without further ado. If you have problem in running TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, I can be able to create it for you, especially if you are in Africa. Verify your account and show you how to pay. Let's get into it without further ado. Thank you very much.
Now, how do we add CJ dropshipping to our Shopify store so that we can be able to add products from the CJ dropshipping automatically into our Shopify store? Now, the first step you want to do right now is head on to your Shopify store that you've actually created. As for me, I have the link here in my bookmark. I'm just going to click on it, and this is actually going to take me to my Shopify account login page. So I'm just going to click on my profile, as I have my profile logged in my browser already. After I do that, this is actually going to take me to the Shopify home. Now the first thing you want to do right now is search the apps here in this browser. I'm just going to type CJ, do you understand, dropshipping, and you're going to see the recommendation of that app here. Let me just type in CJ. You can see it's CJ dropshipping. So I'm just going to click on it. At the moment I click on it, this is actually going to take me to the app page in the Shopify app store. So the next thing I want to do right now is click on install. You understand? So once I click on install, this is actually going to begin the process of installation into my Shopify account or Shopify store. Do you understand? So let's wait for it to load. Now you're going to see something like a confirmation asking you, do you truly want to install this app? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is click on install. Yes. Okay, once I click on install, now once you get to the next page, you're going to see something like welcome to CJ. One step more to store authorization. Please log in or register a CJ account to authorize. So I'm just going to tick this thing. Please read and agree to their whatever agreement. I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to click on, if you have an account already, you click on login and authorize. But if you do not have an account, like this new store that I'm using as an example for you in my videos, just click on register here. You're going to see no account, just click on register here, and once you click on register here, this is going to take you to the sign up page. So let's try to sign up right now. We're going to input our email here, our password, confirm the password, and tick this agree to agreement and click on next. Let me fill that in right now and show you immediately. You can see on the screen right now, I just filled in my email, my full email address, which I'm just going to blur a little bit on the screen right now, and you're going to see the password being inputted correctly. Everything is matching all together, and I tick this thing, and the next thing I'm just going to click on is next. Okay, now once I click on next, you're going to see on the next page they are telling me to choose a username. So I'm just going to input my own username right now, which is Ayo01. Okay, now the first name, I'm just going to input my first name right here, and the last name, I'm just going to input it right here. Do you understand? Okay, make sure you input the correct details. And as for the phone number, I'm just going to input my phone number right here. Do you understand? And click on confirm. Okay, now once I click on confirm, let's see the next thing is actually going to bring on the screen. So you're going to see something like registration success. Great, you have successfully registered a CJ account. You can log into your account with the username or your email. Okay, do you understand? So what I'm actually going to do right now is I could just tell them here user questionnaire. You're going to go to the right side To offer a better service, we would like to learn more about you. Which platform are you using to run your store right now? I'm just going to click on Shopify. Okay, you can see it here, Shopify. We have to scroll down. How many orders do you need to process per day? Do you understand? You are just starting, okay? You are just going to click on 0. I just start my business, okay? So you go down a bit. What categories of products do you mainly market? If it's phone and accessories, tick this. Consumer electronics, men's clothing, toy and kids, babies, home improvement, whatever, health and beauty, jewelry and watch. But for me, I'm just going to tick on jewelry and watch, bag and shoe. Do you understand? And let me go up again. Let me see. I could just say maybe home improvement, okay? And once I do that, I'm just going to click on submit. You're going to see submitted successfully, and this is actually going to take you into your drop shipping CJ drop shipping account. You're going to see something like authorization success. CJ will help you to make drop shipping, whatever. Go back into our Shopify store. Do you understand? Let's see this apps that we have. If you click on settings and we actually go down, click on apps and sales channel. Do you understand? And you're going to see drop shipping, okay? This is here already. Do you understand? So let's go back to our dropshipping account. I actually went to that place to actually see if that app has been applied and activated on our Shopify account, because there are some apps you install them but you need to actually go back there to activate it. That is why I'm trying to be sure we have actually done that, and that is done. You understand? Using the process that we actually saw right now. So the next thing you want to do right now is, if you want to add product from this place, do you understand? The first thing you want to do, I'll just say, you should click on this. No, I don't have a product. Do you understand? Once you don't have, click on no, you don't have a product. Now these people are actually going to give you a guide. Do you understand? They are going to give you a guide by which a video on the screen by which you are going to be using to list your product. It's just a video guide. So what I'm just going to do right now is, I'm just going to right click on this and download this video, save video into my laptop. Do you understand? Should in case I want to add product later, I have a guide that I can be able to use on my CJ dropshipping store. This is just a bonus added tip for you, for those who want to add products into their Shopify store. I'm just going to name it CJ store product guide. Okay, you can name it anything you want, and I'm going to save it in the download file, and the video has been downloaded for me. You can see it here. Okay, I want
Please
to
list it to your store directly.
Do you understand?
Choose a store and select a category.
So if
you can add a new store if you don't have one.
List product now. You are going to click on this side. This is how to list products on your CJ dropshipping store into your Shopify store automatically. So the next thing you want to do, whenever you get to the CJ dropshipping website with your account login, you're going to click on this place which says my CJ dropshipping. Once you click on this, you understand, then the next thing you want to do right now is now you're going to see something like email verification. Your email has not been verified. Verify now. So I'm just going to click on verify now. Let's click on send. We're going to click on send, and once we click on send, this should be sent to our email address right now. I'm just going to reload it, and you're going to see it, email verification. I'm going to copy this number and actually input it into this box. So I input it there. I can click on verify, and you're going to see verification succeeded, and I'm going to click on confirm, and this is actually going to take me to my store, so I could be able to add my product. Okay, I could just go down, and you're going to see product recommendation based on what I told them I want to sell, and I could just easily click on list. Do you understand? Once I click on list product, this product is going to be listed on my Shopify store. Do you understand? Or you could just go normally to the dropshipping, CJ dropshipping home page. Let's just try to go there. we go to the home page, we actually search the product that we want, or search, okay, maybe Valentine gift. Okay, let's say maybe I just search it Valentine gift, and I see the one I actually want to, list on my Shopify store. I could just click on list right now. I'm just going to click on list. So on the next page, you are going to see this, which my store has been connected. You should be able to see this in your store. Do you understand? You should be able to see your store ID here, and I'm just going to tick charge tax. Okay, once you click on charge tax, then you're going to see something like shipping information, China warehouse. Okay, my orders are shipped mostly to, you select the country that you mostly sell to. So most people sell to United States of America. Just leave it like that. Shipping method, you're going to click on dual shipping, CJ. You understand? Hey, you get what I'm saying? So just leave just leave this one like this. Okay, and you're going to see, no, please let CJ manage your Shopify inventory after listing. Here is a tutorial. Just leave that like that. Do you understand? Estimated delivery time, you're going to see 15 to 25 days. Shipping cost, you're going to see $2.23 to $2.27. Do you understand? You'll be able to understand the cost of the shipping of that particular product and the estimated delivery time. So you can be able to add this shipping cost, do you understand, to your actual price, so you can be able to have a very big profit in your, in your sale. Do you understand? So this product type, you click on add new, which is jewelry. I'm going to click on confirm. I'm going to click on collections. Leave it at home page. Collections home page. Then the vendor, you are going to see it. The name of your store is going to be here. Do you understand? You can click on add new and input the name of your own stores. So for mine, I'm just going to input PK baby stores, and I'm going to click on confirm. You have to fill this form, do you understand, for you to be able to list correctly. Now in this product, you're going to see something like, the different kind of, variations of this product they have, that is the different versions of this product. So you're going to see this one here, CJ price, which is $1, shipping fee $2.03, service fee 28 cents, total drop shipping cost, which is $4.19. So you should be able to understand that $4.19 is what actually finishes this thing. So how do you add your own price? You are going to see a brush here. You're going to see something like your price. So you'll be able to decide what price you want to be able to, add to this, your own initial price, so you can be able to cut out your profits out of it. So for my own initial price, sell this product for the price of maybe $20. Do you understand? So that is going to be $24.19 US. So which means I'm going to have a profit of $20, clean profit. Do you understand? Should, in case I want to sell this. Okay, so I'm just going to input that, and as for this, I'm just going to input that like that. I'm going to input 20.71. Sorry, 24. For this, 27. Okay, I want $20 clean profit. 27.10 cents, 24.46 cents. On this, 24.46 cents. Okay, 24.88 cents. For this, 24.88 cents. Going to click on list now, or you can click on edit before listing, maybe to edit the thumbnail, the picture, the description. So I'm just going to skip that in this video. Do you understand? You can actually do that probably in your Shopify store in the product page. Do you understand? So I'm just going to click on list now, and once I click on list now, you're going to see listing in progress. You may check the listing status on listing. Let's wait for it to load, and let's actually go back to our product page to see if that product has been listed. So this has been listed successfully. The product has been listed to your store. Do you understand? And if you click on view it in store product, you are going to see the product here. Do you understand? Using the same title of the product, the description, everything, you can see it right here. Do you understand? And the price has been added automatically. Do you understand? So should in case I just go to my store right now, should in case I go to my store, do you understand, and click on view, okay, you're actually going to see the product here. Do you understand? You can see it here. Everything has been added, and people can decide to click on add to cart, and this is how you add products from CJ Dropshipping into your Shopify store. If you click on any version of this store, of this product, you are going to see the price is changing. Do you understand? The price is actually changing. Okay, the price is actually changing right now. You are going to see it. Do you understand? You can see it. The price are changing. Do you understand? So this is how you are able to add it. If you need any help, like I said, or you find this very, very technical, you need my own setup to set up your CJ Dropshipping account, contact me using this number in the description box, the link to my WhatsApp, or this number on the screen, and I can be able to help you. Don't forget, if you have not set up your TikTok ads account and you are in Africa, contact me. I can be able to set it up for you, and I charge for it. It's not free and it's not cheap, but it's affordable. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.